Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgi. Today I'm going to show you a few useful tricks when working with Eloquent in Laravel. For the purpose of this video, I have created a simple database. My database contains of a developers table, and every developer has a name, email, company and tech expertise, and also a donation table. Every developer has many donations and it has the amount and a note to the donation. The first thing I want to show you is how to make a copy of a database record. We will do this by using the method replicate. Let's take a random record. Developer equals developer find, let's say ID 300. Run. This is our developer with ID 300. Now let's do new developer equals developer replicate, and then let's do new developer save. Okay, I made a small typo. What will this do is it's gonna create a new developer with exactly the same data as our original developer. Let's check in our database. If we refresh, we see now we have exactly the same data with just a different record. So by using the replicate method, we can duplicate our records from the database. The next thing I want to show you is how to use the push method to save the model and all of its relationship. Let's take a random donation. Donation equals donations find 400, let's say, and we have the donation 400 and the amount. Let's see the donation developer. Yes, we have the developer and it is Mr. Gabriel. Let's try the push method now. If we do donation amount equals 500, and then we do donation developer name equals test, and if we do donation save, this will only save the donation, and we can check it out if we comment this out and we check the donation is 500, but the donation developer, it's still Mr. Gabriel. So how do we save this? Instead of doing donation save, we can do donation push. When we do donation push, this will save not only the donation amount, but it will also save the developer name. Let's check it out. Donation and donation developer. Now we see the name is test and just the donation, it is amount of 500. The last thing I want to show you today is how to add multiple saveMany records at once using the saveMany method. Let's take one of our developer find 300. This is our developer, and let's see his donations. No, he doesn't have any donations. So now let's add multiple donations to this developer by using the saveMany method. We'll do saveMany, and inside we'll add an array, and in this array we'll say new donation, and we'll add the amount, say 400, and note donation 1. We'll close our array and we'll add a new donation. Again, amount 500 and a note donation 2. And if we run this, we'll get an error because we use the collection instead of the query builder. In order to fix it, we need to call the saveMany method on the query builder instead of the collection. Save, and now we have 2 donations with the amount attached to this developer. And now if we do developer donations, we will see those 2 donations are in our database. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to get notified when I post the next video. See you next time.